1 to 4 family contract, paragraph 23. This is separate. It's there because remember, we as agents cannot discourage our clients from contacting an attorney. Some of your clients may have attorneys, okay? This is telling them to consult an attorney before signing. TREC rules prohibit real estate brokers and sales agents from giving legal advice, right? I think I've had 1 or 2 clients in 20 some odd years put their attorney's information on here. And that means the attorney's going to get copies of everything with this contract. They're going to get a copy of the contract, title company's going to send them things, all that's going to happen. Most of the time, in hundreds and hundreds of transactions, nobody has an attorney. In the commercial world, you will have attorneys, right? So when I'm filling out the contract, I just say, do you have an attorney that you want to review this stuff? And they typically say no, or they might say, should I? That's up to you. If you want an attorney, they're going to charge you. But let's do this. If there's something you don't understand and I can't explain it in a way that makes sense to you at that point, maybe consider getting an attorney. And that usually works at that point, right? But don't discourage them. Now, one thing I will say is if they want to hire an attorney, there's fees to that. I will tell them, well, before you hire an attorney, let's talk about it. Let's see what your concerns are. Let's see if we can get clarity going through the contract. And if we can't, then we'll get an attorney. Because sometimes it's just a simple question. You might be able to explain it without giving legal advice, right? You can't give legal advice, but maybe they just need to hear a different perspective on that contract and maybe some examples of what happened. And they'll go, oh, that's what that means. Yeah. Now, again, you're not giving legal advice in that aspect. All right. But if they have an attorney, that's where it's going to go. Don't discourage them.